Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. This is M7MMC. Now in today's video we have in front of us, we have the Yaesu FT-891. I've had the FT-891 now for around 6 months. Now it's a terrific radio, it's a beautiful piece of kit and I absolutely love it. But however, there was one issue that I was having. And that issue is I was unable to switch between upper and lower sideband. Now the radio automatically switches that for you. So for example, if we are working on 20 meters here, and let's say for example we go down to 40 meters, excuse the hand in the way, it will automatically select lower sideband. So let's just go back, and for an example, say you're talking to a friend local, and you're on a desired frequency, and for whatever reason you may want to switch to lower sideband, you're not able to. According to the manual, the first button on the left here is actually the mode button, when it actually isn't. On the 891, it's here, under band. Now, if you press the band button, just a simple one press, you can select the band you wish to work on. If you long press, you can change the mode. But as you can see, you can only select single sideband. It doesn't let you choose lower or upper. I've seen a lot of posts on message boards and forums with people asking how to do this. So you're probably here now watching this video because you're unable to do this. So I'm going to quickly go in and show you how it's done. And it is simply just a button press. So what you want to do is go to the desired frequency that you wish to use, and you press function, press and hold it. Now what you want to look for is menu 11.7. And you can see right here, SSB BFO. It's on auto at the moment. So the radio, for whatever band you're going to use, it will select the desired SSB mode for that band. But if you wish to change it, go into here and you press the multi-function little knob and you can select LSB or USB. So we want to use lower sideband, so go back to lower sideband, press the multi-functional knob again, and a simple press of the function key to come back to the VFO mode. And it's as simple as that. So I hope that video was of some help and some use to you. If it was, maybe you could hit that little like button down below. Let me know that it helped, and maybe leave a comment and let me know if you did use this video for switching SSB mode. So thank you all for watching, and I will wish you all the best 7-3, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.